Okay, so as you may be able to see, today's jobs have been to paint this the bonnet stay, the jack, and the little mount here for the fan. This is the bit that looks the tidiest here, I'd say. It just looks lovely, done in the correct colour and everything. I think that's pretty cool. Touched up some stone chips on the front of the bonnet there. The jack's looking pretty good as well. Really quite pleased so far. I probably should. I haven't done too tidy a job in this bonnet stay, and it's bugging me, so I might do something about that at some point. But we'll see. Not too much of an update though today, guys. Just showing you.